Familiar. Y'all don't know her.
I don't look familiar. I don't. That's yep. We're 2026 now. We don't know anyone. Thanks.
I didn't bring value back.
That's Lily. That's my sister right there. That's Lily. And that's Alina. Both in black. That's Lily and Alina.
And I'm
Alina.
They're all sisters.
That's Mei. And then us three are cousins. Yeah. They're all sisters and we're their cousins. All the girls who back are cousins, are sisters. Besides that one. Then Bibi, Jazzy, the one that just cast, Jessie, Arlette right there.
I'm just to explain because I don't think they understood it.
Okay, I'll explain. Okay, Lily. Okay. That's Jessie. Jessie, like the show. And Lily, Mei, Alina, we're all sisters. That's my cousin Arlette, cousin Bibi, and cousin Jessie, and then we have our cousin Sadie right here.
And the same with all the
Yeah. What are you doing tonight? No. Tonight we're celebrating her birthday. We're celebrating my birthday.
Bibi's birthday, y'all.
Yeah. It's my own day. Jessie, I love. I'm tired of too. Mei at work. Mei has a boyfriend. Sorry, guys. Like that? That, yeah. Damn, they were all saying Mei. I got a boyfriend. Mei has a boyfriend, guys. She's off limits. Oh, I have it. This is Nicki Minaj.
When my dog's out there,
We're all family, guys, so.
Okay, Jenny, it went down to 300. Let's play the game.
Yeah. Guys, I already said my Instagram is 6pz.baybeee. I'm not even putting my Instagram down because I'm loyal to my family and my friends. Anyway. Thanks for the roses.
Someone said, why do all of y'all look like my dad?
What? What did he say? Did not.
Said all of y'all look.
Did not.
All of y'all look. Myra said, oh my god, Mei really grew up so fast.
In the comments are like,
Jessie, she is very cool.
yeah, Jessie is a tattoo artist.
Which one of you is the most ticklish?
Oh, never mind, Lily's ours. Tapping. Oh, well. Get at her.
Yeah.
Guys, talk about my biggest girlfriend. I love y'all styles. Thank you. Thank you. It's just like we got ready because it's like somebody's birthday.
I want to
Me too. Wait, I'm like, come right here so I don't block you. Yeah. It's somebody's birthday month, so. Everybody's tapping with her right here.
Tapping with Exotic Ink.
Exotic Inks, that's her account. And what's your account? Hold on.
I don't know.
Here's your account.
Just said I too sending a lot of love.
I didn't read my stomach. My stomach needs to breathe.
We got our most gifted.
Huh? Oh, leave this on. Wait, can you? This? No, don't. No, she did not. Is this me telling me to click? No, just check on top of here.
No.
How many? 368. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, no, no.
Guys, these are all my cousins. It's crazy how we are all family.
Oh!
I know it's so crazy. And it's my birthday, and it's my birthday was all my family.
Top gifter. Thank you.
We all live in the same house. We all live in the same house.
We all live in the same house. Is that what you said?